Tired of choosing between coffee and espresso? Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Ninja Dual Brew Pro. Let's kick things off with the Ninja Drip Coffee Maker with K-Cup Combo, priced at $179.99. What caught my eye was its impressive versatility. It can brew both grounds and pods, making it perfect for anyone who likes variety. If you want a reliable all-in-one machine that covers all bases, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Ninja offers 13 size options for brewing, whether you're making a quick cup or a whole carafe. It brews coffee pods faster than a leading Keurig, which means less waiting and more sipping, especially useful in your busy mornings. And with its built-in milk frother, you can make cafe-style drinks right at home. Plus, the 60-ounce water reservoir means fewer refills and more time enjoying your coffee. Now, some people complained about the design being a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you're prioritizing functionality over a compact size, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for a family or for hosting friends who love coffee as much as you do. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible coffee machine that can accommodate all your coffee needs. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact, but for the price, it offers great value for all the features. Now, if the Ninja's size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ninja Espresso and Coffee Maker. Next up is the Ninja Espresso and Coffee Maker and Barista System, priced at $279.95. Right away, I was drawn to its Barista Plus technology, which promises to deliver ultra-flavorful espresso with a rich crema. If you want to enjoy coffee house drinks at home, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This machine features a 19-bar pressure system that brews espresso at just the right temperature, ensuring you get that perfect shot every time. You can even brew single-serve espresso or a full carafe, giving you flexibility whether you're making a quick drink for yourself or entertaining guests. Plus, the built-in frother is a game-changer for crafting lattes and cappuccinos. Now, some users mention that the learning curve can be steep for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the variety you can achieve makes it well worth the effort. It's not just a coffee maker, it's a whole coffee experience. This is perfect for you if you love crafting specialty drinks at home and want to impress friends. Skip this one if you're someone who prefers a simple, straightforward coffee maker. For the features, the price is pretty reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more traditional setup. Product number 3, Cuisinart Coffee Center. The Cuisinart Coffee Center Barista Bar, priced at $249.99, is next on the list. What stood out to me was its 4-in-1 functionality. It can brew a full pot, single-serve coffee, and even make cappuccinos and lattes. If you want a machine that does it all, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. With fully automatic brewing and customizable brew strength, you can easily tailor your coffee to your liking. It's compatible with both pods and grounds, so you won't be limited in your choices. Plus, the 24-hour programmability means you can wake up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee every day. Now, a few reviewers mentioned that the single-serve feature isn't as powerful as dedicated pod machines. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for versatility and the ability to brew larger amounts, this trade-off is minor. You still get great coffee and espresso from one machine. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional machine in your kitchen. Skip this one if your priority is just quick single-serve coffee. The value you get for the price is impressive. Now, if the Cuisinart single-serve feature isn't quite what you're after, check out this next machine that really raises the bars. Product number 4, Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier. Next up, we have the Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier, which is priced at $597. The first thing that grabbed my attention was its 3-in-1 functionality. You can brew espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew all in one machine. If you're looking for a premium coffee experience at home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. It features Barista Assist technology that takes the guesswork out of brewing. With an integrated grinder and weight-based dosing, You get a fresh grind tailored for each type of drink. This means your espresso will be perfectly balanced every time, and it even has hands-free frothing capabilities to create that cafe-level foam. Now, some users found it a bit pricey compared to simpler models. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your coffee and want to enjoy a wide range of drinks without visiting a coffee shop, the investment pays off in quality and convenience. This is perfect for you if you're passionate about coffee and want the best at-home experience. Skip this one if budget is a major concern, but for the features, it offers excellent value. Alright, that was impressive. But wait until you see what the next machine can do. Product number 5, Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro Series. Finally, we have the Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro Series priced at $749.99. I was drawn in by its ability to brew espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew, along with its integrated tamper and hands-free frother. If you want the ultimate coffee machine experience at home, this one is definitely worth considering. The integrated grinder has 25 settings, allowing for a fresh grind tailored to your drink. Plus, the dual froth system lets you create microfoam like a pro regardless of your milk choice. Now, some people mention that the size can be a bit overwhelming on the counter. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your coffee and want to experiment with different brewing methods, this machine will be a fantastic addition to your kitchen. This is perfect for you if you're a coffee enthusiast looking for top-tier performance. Skip this one if you have limited counter space or if you prefer a simpler setup. The value for the features you get is hard to beat. So to quickly recap our top 5, we kicked off with the Ninja Dual Brew Pro, which is great for variety, the Ninja Espresso and Coffee Maker for at-home barista drinks, the Cuisinart Coffee Center for its versatility, the Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier for premium brewing, and finally, the Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro Series for those who want it all. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier because of its incredible functionality and quality, perfect for any coffee lover. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Cuisinart if you're only focused on single servings, as it may not fulfill that need as strongly. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.